Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find WhatsApp channel of other countries. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the WhatsApp, and you need to update your WhatsApp application first. As you can see, my WhatsApp is up to date. Then you simply need to click on open. So then you simply need to click on updates, and here you can see option of find channels. Click on that, and you simply need to scroll here on the top, and from here you need to click here and search for region. So I'm going to search for a specific country, so I'm going for United States. Click on that, and now you can see all the channels from United States. So let me open any channel. So here you can see that this is a Mark Zuckerberg channel. So this is the process to find channels of other countries on WhatsApp. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.